Morning, folks. Grandpa Greenwald here. This morning I was at a junk fest and picked up some cast iron items. So I wanted to kind of show you what I got for those of you that are enthusiasts or use cast iron in your cooking. But I got three 8-inch skillets, and I pull out my Lodge lid. I'm a fanatic for lids, and that lid fits tightly on all three of those skillets. Kind of unique or in that business that this one that I'm holding is a Wagner skillet. Wagner's the manufacturer. This one here is a BSR, Birmingham Stove and Range. It's got a heat ring around the bottom there. And this is a standard 3-notch Lodge skillet, just a basic skillet, just like the ones you see nowadays. This is older, before they started putting the Lodge markings on them. So I'm really pleased to have the lid that fits all three of those. This little one is also, it's a Wagner skillet. It's a little 6-inch skillet. And this last piece is my prize. That's an E breadstick pan, a Wagner E breadstick pan. It's in remarkable condition. Other than being under the cabinet and beat around, it looks like somebody might have made some muffins in it and just didn't get it cleaned good and put it in storage. So anyway, I'm tickled to death to have that. As going to make some muffins. All righty. Just got finished cleaning up the E breadstick pan. I say E bread. It's called a breadstick pan. If I'm not careful, I'm going to burn my hand. Wagner E breadstick pan, Sydney, Ohio. Came out really nice and clean, and I thought it would. It's like a new. It was like a new pan, anyway. So wanted to show you that before we end this video. Again, the Wagner writing on the back there, if you can see that. The other thing we had in there was the little Wagner skillet, and again, if you can see that, the Wagner ware, Sydney O on the back is number 1053Z. It's just a little 6.5-inch skillet. We'll hang that somewhere. I can't think of a need for it right now, but came out really nice. And this thing I worked on for a couple of days in the E-tank. This thing was a solid rust. This is two coats of grapeseed oil seasoning on it. It's just a little bit of pitting on the back, and I told the gentleman I'm doing it for that it wouldn't take the pitting away, but really a nice looking, nicer than way most that you find at your garage sales and stuff. Just a beautiful corn stick pan.